2005, the motion picture White Noise introduced audiences to the phenomenon EVP, recordings of the dead. Now, there is a new dimension in communication with the other side. Every day in the United States, there are an average of 774 near-death experiences, or NDEs, during which a person is pronounced dead before being resuscitated. Most report seeing a blinding white light, and many have spoken with the dead before returning.
It's okay. We brought you back.
For some, a near-death experience brings a spiritual awakening. For others, there is a darker side. When they return, they may not have come back alone.